Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, let's crochet this very cute and easy adjustable friendship bands or bracelet. This is a very easy beginner friendly pattern, so without further ado, let's get started. So all you need to make this bracelet is some yarn. This is weight 3 cotton yarn. With that I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook, some glue and some small pearls like this. This is completely optional. You can use any crystal, any beads, wooden beads as well. So I'm using the small pearls. We will first start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this. This tail should be little lengthier and then hold this end and twist it once and then fold it. So you can see this is the tail and this is the working yarn. Slowly pull the working yarn outside and this creates a slip knot. After making a slip knot, we will make 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making 5 chains, turn your work like this. You can see back bars here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the first back bar, this is the second back bar. Insert your hook inside the second back bar here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again into the next back bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Into the next back bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, keep the loop as it is. Again into the last back bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the hook. So yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. So yarn over and pull through both the loops. And now we will make a chain, but for that pinch this yarn, this working yarn with this finger and this finger and then hold it like this and then make a chain, because we need to insert our hook in the same gap here. So in the same gap where we just pinched our yarn, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. This is the first time. So keep the loop as it is. Again, so you can see these tiny bumps here. So insert your hook in that, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again into the next loop, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again into the last loop, insert your hook and pull up a loop. Now you have 5 loops. So yarn over and pull through the first 2. Now you have 4 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Now you have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Now you have 2 loops. So yarn over and pull through both the loops. After that, pull a lengthy loop here. Take a pearl. Insert your pearl here. And then take your hook, insert it and lock this bead. After bead locking, we will make 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again in these back bars, we will insert our hook and pull 1 loop each. So skip this first back bar, into the second back bar, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Again into the next back bar, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Keep the loop as it is. Into the next back bar, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Insert your hook in the last back bar here, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 5 loops. So yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now with this finger and this finger, the pinching makes it easier to insert the hook. Otherwise it is hard to insert the hook in the very first chain. So for that, just pinch the yarn a little and then make a chain, and now insert your hook in that pinched loop. So yarn over, pull up a loop. Now in these loops, insert your hook and pull a loop each. We have 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Again, pull up a lengthy loop, take a bead, insert the bead here and lock the bead. We will now repeat the same. Make 5 chains and repeat these steps. Similarly, repeat it for 4 times. So I made 2. So make 2 more and then I'll show you how to make this final finishings. You can see I repeated the same 4 times. And now when you come to the end, make 1 chain, leave lengthy tail and then cut your yarn. Slowly remove the hook and now insert 1 bead here and here. I'm using a small hook like this. If you don't have a hook, then take a thread, keep your thread like this. Now take your pearl, insert both the ends inside this pearl and just pull the pearl. So similarly, insert 1 more pearl this side. Make a knot on both sides just next to this pearl so that the pearl stay in its place. So like this. Repeat the same this side. And now I'll show you how to make the sliding square knot. So keep this thread like this. Turn your work like this. Now take the same color yarn, around 20-25 centimeters of yarn. Keep this lengthy yarn under these two. So follow me carefully. So this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. So keep the right hand side yarn over these 2 threads and then take the left hand side and watch me carefully. I'm going under this to this side and just make a knot. And now you can see this tiny bump here. So now we will keep that side's yarn over and the other side, watch me carefully. I'm picking these 2 loops and going under and just make the knot. And now you can see this tiny bump here. So that side yarn should go over and the other one will go under. And now the tiny bump is this side. So that side comes over and the other side will go under. Just like this. And now the tiny bump is this side. So that side will go over and the other side will go under. And now the tiny bump is this side. So this side goes over and the other side will go under. So watch me carefully and just, so now the bump is this side. So this goes over and this one goes under. So I think we have made enough. Now I will show you how to end this. So you can see this loop here. Put a needle and slightly pull it up like this. And then take the same yarn. So if you pull this is the yarn that is coming up. So the same yarn take from behind these two yarn and pull it through this. So after completing, trim the excess yarn. Use small amount of glue to hold this. So now we will add these two pearls here and make a knot. Now make one knot here and here. So this completes the bracelet. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.